Hello, welcome. Question number 5, which is the compulsory part of the WASSCE 2024 May-June edition, written by Nigerian. So we are saying that a basket contains 3 gold-plated marbles, 4 diamond marbles, and some silver marbles. So all of the same size and the same shape. So 2 marbles were drawn from the basket at random, one after the other, without a replacement. So the probability that the 2 marbles all were silver is going to be 1 out of 15. We have to find the number of marbles. It says some marbles. We don't know total number of marbles in there. Alright, so first thing first, we need to know how many marbles represent the silver. In this case, we don't know. We use the alphabet. So let's say solution here, so that we take the top there. So I'm going to say, or will I just say I have number of, what do we have? Gold plated to be 3, number of diamond plated to be 4, therefore number of silver, I can use any variable to represent that. Alright, so the moment I'm able to have that, I need to know how many marbles are all together in the basket. We know probability is all about a sample and the total sample space. So I'm going to use number of U to represent that. That will be 3 plus 4 plus Y. That will be, let me just say, equal to 7 plus Y. So that is it. So in this case, if the first marble pick is silver, it's going to be Y divided by the total. And what is the total? 7 plus Y. That's the first one. So if you don't replace it, it means that the total number of marbles are not going to be Y plus 7 plus Y again. It will decrease. The total number will decrease. Then the number of silver will also decrease by 1. So the first one is silver, the second is silver. So we just say that probability of both being silver or both marble, right? So the probability of the both marbles being silver is going to be probability of the first one being silver times probability of second one being silver. Taking into account there is no replacement. Okay, so the first one will be probability is the event, sample space. Event is Y divided by sample space, 7 plus what? Y. This is the first probability. So it means this and this, not or, so no addition. Now what do? We multiply. The second probability is that the number of marbles in the basket is going to decrease, total will decrease by 1. So we subtract 1 from here. Then since we have already taken silver, the silver will also decrease by 1, meaning the sample space, the event, is going to be Y minus 1 divided by 7 plus Y minus 1. We are still having equals to, meaning both marbles being silver is already here as 1 out of 5. So we are keeping it. Now, so let's simplify the right, then we equate to the left. What are we going to do? I know I can simplify the down here. So let's multiply the numerators together to have Y times Y, Y squared, minus Y times 1, Y, all divided by, in the case of this, 1 will subtract from the 7, making it 6. So I'll be having 7 times 6. That will be 42, right? Then plus 7 times Y. That will be 7Y. Y times 6. 6Y and Y times Y will give us Y squared. So this is what we are going to get at the right side of the equation. We can simplify the denominator once more, since I'm having y component. So I can have this to be Y squared minus Y divided by 42 plus 7 plus 6. That I guess will be 13y plus y squared. So now all of this will be equals to 1 out of 15. Then we can find what the y stands for. So now we can say that 1 out of 15, since we don't want to write probability of silver again, is going to be equals to y squared minus y divided by 42 plus 13y plus y squared. We cross multiply. Therefore, this guy will multiply the 42. So 42 plus 13y y squared, 15 will multiply this to give you 15y squared minus 15y. So I'm seeing y squared, y, and a constant. So that will be giving me the idea of a quadratic equation. So let's move all the terms from the left to the right. That make our 15y to come first. This is going there. So minus 15y. Okay. It is going to be y squared. Let's put the y squared together. So y squared. Let's maintain our minus 15y. Then this become negative 13y. I think we have all the points now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then minus 42 equals to 0. So we are having 15y squared minus y squared. That will be 14. So 14y squared. I guess this will be 28, right? So I'll have minus 28y minus 42 equals to 0. Let's see if 14 can be a factor of 28. Yes. Can it be a factor of 42? Yes. So 14 will go into itself 1. So y squared minus 14 here, 2, right? 2y, 14 here, 3 equals to 0. So we are looking for factors of negative 3. When we add, we get 1. So we are going to get those factors as, what will they be? 3, negative, and 1. If I multiply negative 3 and 1, I'll be having the negative 3. If I add them, I'll be having this. So right away, I am only going to introduce my two brackets. Y minus 3, y plus 1 equals to 0. So we equate both brackets to be equal to 0. Y minus 3 is 0, or y plus 1 is 0. So I think here we transpose the 3 to become y equals to 3. We transpose the 1 to become negative 1. Here we are looking for number of silver marbles in the basket. We can have negative. So we say that, therefore, the number of silver marbles will be 3. There will be 3 of the silver marbles added to this, making it 10. So there are 10 different marbles found in the basket. I'm sure we are on the same page. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.